Bharata land. This poem reflects deep love, pride and admiration for our country India. The poet of this poem is Subramaniam Bharati, one of the India's greatest nationalist poets. He is known for his powerful writings that inspired people during the freedom struggle. His poems are full of patriotism, courage and devotion to the nation. The poems celebrate India's natural beauty, spiritual richness, cultural heritage. This poem was written during the freedom movement era. The purpose of this poem was to instill patriotism, to remind Indians of their glorious past. Central idea of this poem is that India is a land of natural wonders, a cradle of ancient wisdom, a place of spiritual enlightenment. The poet emphasizes that India is peerless, unmatched. Poet wants to convey message that we must feel proud and respect our heritage. Theme of the poem is patriotism, natural beauty, spiritual and philosophical richness, wisdom and enlightenment, courage and bravery. Stanza 1. The mighty Himwan is ours, there's no equal anywhere on earth. The sacred Upanishads are ours, what scratches else to name with them. The generous Ganga is ours, which other river can match her grace. The sunny golden land is ours, she's peerless, let's praise her. Here Himavant refers to Great Himalayas, the tallest and most majestic mountains in the world. The poet proudly says that no other mountain range can equal its grandeur. Next he speaks of Ganga, calling her generous and graceful. The river is sacred, life-giving and deeply connected to the Indian culture. The poet asks a rhetoric question: which another river can match her beauty and importance? Then he mentions Upanishads, ancient Indian scriptures full of deep philosophical wisdoms. These texts explore life, truth, spirituality. They are unmatched in their depth. Finally, poet describes India as sunny golden land. This symbolizes prosperity, beauty and richness, both natural and cultural. He ends the stanza with a powerful message: Bharat is peerless, no other land like it, and it deserves our praise. Stanza 2. Gallant warriors have lived here. Many a sage has sanctified this land. The divinest music has been heard here, and here all auspicious things are found here. Brahma knowledge has taken root, and the Buddha preached Hed Dhamma here. The hoary antiquity is Bharat, she's peerless, let's praise her. In the second stanza, poet highlights India's rich history and spiritual greatness. He begins by saying that great warriors HVE lived on this land, heroes who honored and protected the nation. Then he speaks of great Indian sages, wiser men who spent their life in meditation and spiritual pursuit, making the land holy. The poet also celebrates India's contribution to music, describing it as divine and soulful. Indian music has always been connected to spirituality and emotion. Next he mentions Brahma knowledge, meaning the highest spiritual understanding of the universe. This shows Bharat as a deep philosophical thought. He also reminds us that Lord Buddha also preached his teachings here, spreading message of peace, compassion and truth. Finally, the poet concludes that Bharat is ancient, rich in history and wisdom, and once again he proudly declares Bharat as peerless and we must praise her. Literary devices used are personification, which means she's peerless, India treated as a mother goddess. Second hyperbole, that is no equal anywhere on earth. Exaggeration, metaphor used are sunny golden land, imagery are mighty Himwan, generous Ganga, sunny golden land. Symbolism used in this poem are Himavant means strength, Ganga means purity, Upanishads means knowledge, warriors means courage, Buddha means peace and golden land means prosperity.